Hey everybody, it is Ben from Srkcycles.com, and today I have a 2010 Triumph Rocket 3 Touring. Let's check this thing out. This bad boy is a 2300cc motor. It is an inline 3, and this thing can rip. I hope you guys have seen the test drive that Sean has done. We got this bike cleaned up, and this thing is looking sharp. I'm really happy with how this came out. There are some small marks on this bike, but guys, as you can see in this video, and if you've looked at the photos, this thing is shiny and crisp, and I really like this bike. It's a big bike. I'm a big guy. I'm 6'3", and I like riding bigger bikes. This is not going to be a great bike if you are on the shorter side. It's pretty wide, and it sits a little on the tall side. But guys, there's not a lot of marks on this bike. Like I said, there are some. It's not perfect. It is used. It is a 2010. It's got like 10,000 miles on it, but it was pretty well taken care of. I'm gonna see for any marks I made there. There are some really light, like buff scratches here on the side panel. Not like deep gouges, but looks like someone maybe could have been a little gentler when they were cleaning that. This exhaust is pretty clean. I got I like that badge, like that Rocket 3 Touring badge. These bags are nice. As you can see inside the bags there. There's the manual, got the Triumph going on. But yeah, guys, I hope you were watching the test drive of this bike that Sean did. This bike is a beast. Like I said, 2300cc displacement, inline 3 motor. See the exhaust runners coming off there, heading back down to the tailpipe. This motor bay is pretty clean. I don't see a lot of marks in here either. It's really shiny. You guys have probably seen a lot of my reflection on this video, which is not good. You're gonna see the bike, not my ugly face. There's some scratches here on the down by where your feet would go on this shield. Brake pedal, floorboards rather than pegs, which, you know, some like it, some don't. I like both. I'm not overly swayed one way or the other. Both can be comfortable. Got the highway pegs there. These look like they were, I don't know if they came factory or not, but they are Triumph brand. They're not some weird off-brand of anything like that. Come up here on the fork tubes. These are also really clean. Got some weird marks here. I'm not sure what that is. They're like these white marks. It almost looks like if they use like hard water to wash your dishes. But it's not beat up. It's not scratched. That big dual rotors on the front tire, keeping things in place. There's another one of these like white marks. I'm not sure what that is. This front fender, there's a little smudge there, and there's like some light scratching here on the front fender. Again, it just looks like it got like a little rub by like a buff pad or something, or maybe they should have used a buff pad and they used something else, like a paper towel. This front tire's looking pretty good. I don't know if you guys have ever ridden one of these bikes, but these bikes are super cool. They're very comfortable and very enjoyable to ride. Like I said, I'm tall. I'm a big dude. I like the big bikes. Nothing really up here on the headlights. Got that. It's got a gnarly looking like front end with a huge radiator in there. Got those lights. Crash bars on this side. Again, another set of the opposing set of highway pegs. Coming in here. There's the floorboard shifter. Got the heel shifter. I'm a big fan of the heel shifter. The ongoing debate whether that's okay or not. Highway peg. Again, there's the Rocket 3 on the motor. Thing looks sweet. Again, it is spiffy and it is clean. Passenger floorboard. And the exhaust. Coming here along the bags. there's some light marking here on the side of this left side bag. Not sure what that is, but here on the side panel, again, this is very light scratches, kind of seemingly in multiple different places. Got some slight discolorment here on the Triumph badge. If you guys can see that on the tank. Doesn't look like it was down or anything though. Here you can get another shot of the some of these light scratches on the tank again too. This giant mark is just my light, don't worry about that. These are pretty nice grips too. Like these bar ends, nice big levers, mirrors, coming across here. Got your little front storage bag there. Grips, bar ends, all your controls. And you can fire this bad boy up. There you can see 10,204 miles. There you go. Yeah, fuel pump. Fires right up. Sounds pretty sweet. Yeah, and this seat is very, very nice. Nice seat for riding two up. Got the backrest for the rider and the backrest for the passenger. Nice, comfortable passenger seat. Let's check the turn signals, make sure they work. Got front and rear. Over to the other side in the back, and in the front. Yeah, man. Like I said, this is a really, really nice Triumph Rocket 3. It's a 2010 with 10,000 miles. Make sure you watch the test drive video and don't miss out on this bike. It's already on the website. We're getting to rock and roll. Let's check it out. Thanks for watching, guys.